What is going on, everybody? Well, I got some garden hoses in, got them shipped to me, and today I'm going to be checking out the Flexzilla 100-foot garden hose. Now in another video I'm going to be doing the Flexzilla garden hose kit. It's a 50-foot half-inch, but for today we're going to concentrate on the 5/8 inch 100-foot garden hose. So I am currently using the Technor Apex hose. I do like this one, but I did buy another Technor Apex product and it sort of failed on me. You can check out the video. But I do like this one. They did a good job when they designed this. But it's two 50-foot lengths tied together, so I wanted to get something new. So first off, I thought this might be a lot more lightweight, but each 50-foot length of the Technor is about 8 pounds, so there's not that much difference between weight. Weighed this one out at 15 pounds. It does have durable, lightweight, my tongue's all tied up. Anodized aircraft aluminum ends, limited lifetime warranty, lightweight, easy to handle. It says durable and abrasion resistant. So I'm going to try it out, see how it does. I need something to get all over the backyard to my different garden areas. Break out the trusty Leatherman, do a couple little snips on it. Warranties on the inside. So just to check out the warranty, guaranteed free of defects, workmanship, under normal use, and you have to ship it to a Legacy authorized warranty service center. Proof of purchase and the retail label must accompany the hose along with your name and address. So for the lifetime warranty, you gotta save this thing right here. Alright, careful not to snip the hose. Alright. Looks pretty sturdy. I like how it has a spot where you can hook a wrench onto it. Let's string it out and see how it does. Alright. Hope I put the right end on it. All right, let's water some weeds around my spigot. Take a second to charge it up, it looks like. There it goes. Now remember, this isn't under pressure at all, other than just the water going through. Alright, no leaks. Check the rest of the hose for leaks. Alright, let's see how it maneuvers around the garden. Alright, while I was pulling it toward my garden gate, it did tend to kink up a little bit or spin up a little bit. So let's see how it does. I'll unkink that and keep going. Alright, maybe kink wouldn't be a good word for it. Twist up, maybe some hose memory from being inside the wrapper, because it didn't shut off the water at all as a kink, but it has a tendency to twist quite a bit. It does go around the raised beds really good. Alright, so I'm not the type that rolls up hoses very often, but some of you are. I'm going to see how well this rolls up. Well, that wasn't too bad at all. In fact, I might start rolling up hoses if they were all this easy. Alright, so what did I think? Well, Flexzilla hose, I like it. I like the feel of it in my hand. Didn't pick up any of the mulch in the garden area. Went around the corners fairly good. Does have some issue with wanting to roll itself while you're pulling it, but it doesn't kink. So I had to do a lot of untwisting or retwisting back and forth as I go around. It's not as rigid as your regular garden hoses, so it really makes it easier to go around your garden. Doesn't pop up in the air and try to knock some of your plants off or knock over some of your plants themselves. One thing though, remember, hang on to your UPC. That way if something does happen to it, it'll be able to get replaced. And overall, good hose. Hopefully it keeps going for a while. I'm not the type that goes and puts the hose away every day. In fact, I hardly do it. I do it usually at the end of the season and just leave it out. It's bright color, so I won't hit it with the lawnmower. And I'll let you know if it fails on me in the next year or two. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, push the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.